For nearly 5,000 years, one single monument has stood against time itself.
That's 4,600 years of surviving earthquakes, wars, everything. It's built from an incredible 2.3 million massive stone blocks. And get this, some of those blocks weigh up to 50 tons. And somehow it's aligned almost perfectly, thousands of years before the compass. So that brings us to the ultimate question. How on earth did they build it? Well, it all started with one man's obsession, Pharaoh Khufu's quest for immortality.
And the genius who made it happen? His architect, Himi Unyu.
Okay, so how'd they lift all that stone? Today, there are three main theories.
First up, the most straightforward idea, a massive, single ramp built on the outside.
But here's the problem. That ramp would have needed more stone than the pyramid itself.
Which leads to theory 2. What if the ramp was inside the pyramid?
The idea is a spiral ramp winding its way up inside the pyramid's walls.
And there's evidence, a weird notch right where the ramp would have had to turn.
But the third theory is the wildest. It says they used the power of water.
Basically, a giant water-powered elevator lifting blocks up through the pyramid's center.
Yeah, a lot of top experts aren't buying it. They think it's just wrong.
So what's the truth? The fact is, nobody knows for sure.
And the weirdest part? Not a single blueprint has ever been found.
But then, just a few years ago, technology revealed something totally new.
Using particle physics, scientists found a huge hidden space, the Big Void.
So what is it? Is it the key to how they built it?
Or could it be Khufu's real tomb? After all, his body was never found.